Good evening to everyone, and thank you so much, all the panelists over here, all the dignitaries, and interview times specially for conducting such a wonderful event. And thank you all the audience to listening, all of us, and all the panelists over here with all of the patience. So the world is going digital, and cybersecurity is not just the feature; it's the foundation. And I am into that business. It's a very confidential in nature by operating that business from Odisha because we are totally rooted from Odisha and built for the world. And for sharing my journey, when I was just 19 years old, I hacked into Microsoft, I hacked into Facebook, and MasterCard and several other companies found vulnerabilities and reported to them, and got Hall of Fame and bug bounties through bug bounties program, and rewarded with $30,000 when I was just 19 years old in 2014. And from that journey, current days, I am handling more than 5 organizations, having offices in Bhubaneswar as a headquarter and Noida. Apart from it, today I came from Dubai. We have launched our office in Dubai just 2 days back in Business Bay. And having also subsidiaries in Kenya, that is ThreadSys Kenya Limited. We are offering our services to all GovTech, to all FinTech and NBFCs, including big banks, and we are protecting $1 billion transactions every year. And we are working for First Bank Nigeria, Union Bank Kenya, Zenith Bank, PSB 9 Bank, and several banking industries for monitoring and protecting their data because you know it's very sensitive in nature. And coming from the background from Odisha, there was no foundation, there was no backbone from the family background. All the entrepreneurs, they come with only one logic, with the mindset, with the spirit that yes, we can do something. And by giving employment to more than 150 employees and their families, that's the spirit I have within the 30 years of journey of age. If I can do, then anybody else can do it. And with this forum, I just want to tell you that Odisha is on that path to achieve something bigger. I think I also attended the Startup Mahakumbh that was organized by Government of India. So Piyush Goyal ji just informed, and during the press conference, it was viral at that point of time, that India is coming up with several number of startups, but the ideas are from delivering products to home. Why not it can be with innovation? Why not it can be with cyber security, AI, the EV and all? If you'll see the statistics and insights, India only consists with 111 unicorns. And we have 1.59 million number of startups registered. So we need to work on that field, how we can make innovation with our services. With that innovation, we have launched our product of Cycurve, which can monitor anything 24/7 to all the data of different organizations. And it can provide SIM, SOAR, FIM, all SOC solutions all together. I am also into auditing, and you will be happy to know that in Odisha we have different government projects. I think Ravi ji also here. That's Subhadra Yojana, recently BSKY named to Gopabandhu Yojana and other Yojanas. And we are the company, we are protecting the data of all the citizens of Odisha. We are protecting by hacking into the same platform and reporting that as it cannot be hacked by the hacker. And we are doing with the resilience, with the spirit that yes, we can make the world safer and secure and make our state also safe and secure. And the India can be the biggest place with the cybersecurity innovation. Thank you.